In addition to DMX and DALI, Express Control supports ArtNet, sACN, and KiNET. To add any of these protocols, we click the cogwheel here, which opens the Configure Outputs helper. We can easily add 2 ArtNet universes like this, and they'll now appear in the list of universes on the left. We can add sACN output universes in the same way. As you can see, Pharos controllers output to multiple protocols simultaneously. You can patch to multiple universes across any of the supported output protocols. Pharos controllers only count unique fixtures patched towards their capacity limit, not universes created. So, if we take the fixtures already patched on the DMX port and patch them again on an ArtNet or sACN universe, you'll note that the controller's output capacity isn't affected. We can access more advanced settings by clicking the cog icon. Let's look at DMX. Here we have the option to make the 2 local DMX ports on the controller output individual universes or mirror the same universe. We can also set the controller's refresh rate. Normal is suitable for most projects. Going back and looking at ArtNet, here too we have access to the refresh rate. This is a controller setting and applies to all output protocols. Express Control is capable of sending its eDMX data from an alternate subnet, which we can configure here. This data can be tagged with a VLAN number, so that a managed network can route this system to the relevant ports on the network. A system configured as such would look like this. Additionally, we can disable ArtNet broadcast and toggle ArtSync. In the sACN menu, we can see the same refresh rate and network settings, as well as the option to add a password if we're using secure sACN. When working with a KiNET device, we can discover devices on the network here, or add them manually. Express offers simple, synchronized lighting data output across a variety of industry-standard protocols.